Hey guys, I'm back on MMG Tutorials, and today for you guys, I got a brand new tutorial on how to cancel out your fan noise for your computer, rather if you got a tower or a laptop. It works both ways, and I'm going to show you guys how you can cancel it out. So as you can hear, this is the before the changes that I made. So if I stop talking, you guys can hear my fan noise. So for example, I'm gonna launch I have a game open, like GTA, so I have GTA open, and I'm gonna drive around. You guys are gonna
Blind piece of shit! Dickhead!
Back to OBS. As you guys can tell, my fan noise has picked up a little bit, and now I'm going to show you how you can cancel it out. Right here, you're going to first find your microphone output device here in the audio mixer. Click the gear icon, click on filters, and as you can see, I have a noise suppression, but I'm going to remove that so I can... So what your audio filters will be like, it should be like this. So let me actually minimize GTA. So your audio filters for your microphone should be like this. What you're going to do is you're going to come down to the bottom left, and you're going to click this plus sign. Now you got the options of compressor, expander, gain, invert, polarity, limiter, noise gate, noise suppression, VST 2.x plug-in. What you're going to do is you're going to click on noise suppression. You don't have to name it anything. You can just keep it how it is, so you just click OK. And if you get the RN noise, in a parentheses, higher quality, or you got the speeds, and then what I like to do is just have it on higher quality. So I like to have it on the RN noise, higher quality. Click, and then I clicked close. So now when I stop talking, you guys shouldn't hear my fan noise at all. And as you guys heard at the beginning, before I made the change, my fan noise, oops, no, wrong settings. So if I go back, I'm just gonna turn off my noise suppression. If I stop talking, you guys now can hear my fan noise again. But if I enable that setting again, filters, you guys can't hear it at all. And like before, my audio thing was bouncing around because it was capturing my fan noise, but now if I stop talking, it doesn't bounce at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If this helped you, make sure to give it a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on post notifications, that way you can stay up to date when I post new tutorial videos. And if you guys want, you guys can leave down in the comments what other tutorials I should help you on. So if you are having any problems, I can help you look into it and make a video on it, so that way if other people that are having the same problem as you, they can watch that video and get the solution they are looking for. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video.